Good morning, children. In previous video we studied about machine, simple machine and complex machine. Now in this video we will discuss in detail about different type of machine. Types of simple machines, in which we will study about lever, inclined plane, wedge, screw, pulley, wheel and axle. First of all, we will discuss about lever. What is the lever? A lever is a rigid bar or rod that can rotate freely about a point. The fixed point about which the lever can rotate is called the fulcrum. Now, the object to be lifted or moved with the help of lever is called as load. The force applied on the lever is called the effort. The distance of fulcrum from the point at which effort is applied is called as effort R. The distance of the fulcrum from the point at which the load acts is called as load R. Levers are of the three types depending on the position of fulcrum, load and effort. Class first lever, class second lever and class third lever. First of all, we will discuss what is the principle of the lever. The principle of the lever states that the product of the load and the load arm is always equal to the product of effort and the effort arm. Or we can say load into load arm is equal to effort into effort arm, or load upon effort is equal to effort arm upon load arm. It is equal to the mechanical advantage of the lever. We have already read about the mechanical advantage. Mechanical advantage is equal to load upon effort. Now, class first lever, or we can say levers of first order. In this type of lever, the fulcrum lies between the load and the effort, or we can say load and the effort are on the opposite sides of the fulcrum. Example of class first lever: pairs of scissors, pliers, wire cutters, beam balance, crowbar and shisha. In class first lever, the effort arm be longer than, equal or the shorter than the load arm. So, the mechanical advantage of this lever may be more than 1, equal to 1 or less than 1. This type of lever can lift heavy loads with the application of small effort. Such lever can act as force multiplier. Class second lever, or we can say lever of second order. In this type of lever, load lies between the effort and the fulcrum. Means effort and fulcrum are on the opposite sides of the load. Example of class second lever: nut cracker, wheelbarrow, bottle opener, lemon squeezer. Example of the second class of lever. The mechanical advantage of the lever of the second order is always greater than 1 because its effort arm is longer than the load arm. This lever can lift a big load with this little effort. Now, class third lever, we also known as lever of third order. In this lever, the effort lies between the load and the fulcrum. That is, the load and the fulcrum are on the opposite side of the effort. For example, a hockey stick, a human forearm, fishing rod, tongs and tweezers, forceps, etc. are the example of class third lever. In class third lever, the effort arm is always shorter than the load arm. This type of lever always reduces the applied force. The mechanical advantage of class third lever is always less than the 1. So children, in this video we have discussed about simple machine in which we have studied about types of lever. In class first lever, fulcrum lies between the load and the effort, and mechanical advantage of the class first lever can be more than 1, equal to 1 or less than 1. In class second lever, the load lies between the effort and fulcrum, and the mechanical advantage of the class second lever is always greater than 1. In class third lever, the effort lies between the load and the fulcrum, and mechanical advantage of class third lever is always less than 1. Children, read the chapter very carefully and try to solve exercise given on the page number 60. Check your progress. Okay, thank you.